NASA's return to the moon just hit another delay, while China is racing ahead with its own plans. But the unexpected twist? SpaceX's massive Starship could now be the key to saving America's lunar mission. In this video, we'll explore Artemis setbacks, Starship's role, and what this moon race really means for the future. NASA's Artemis program is under fresh pressure after new delays. Artemis II, the crewed lunar flyby, is now pushed to April 2026 at the earliest, with some chance of February if everything aligns. Artemis III, the first crewed landing, has slipped to mid-2027, missing its original 2026 target. The key culprit is Orion's heat shield, which showed unexpected erosion during Artemis I in 2022. Engineers found that protective chunks burned off unpredictably, raising doubts about its ability to withstand 25,000 miles per hour re-entries from lunar orbit. This issue demands redesigns and extended testing before astronauts can fly. Complicating matters further, the Space Launch System, SLS rocket continues to draw criticism for its high costs, each launch costs billions, and for its non-reusable design, slowing down cadence. Together the setbacks with Orion and SLS have really created a cascade of schedule slippage. So, SpaceX's Starship is NASA's bold solution to keep Artemis moving forward. The Human Landing System, or HLS Starship, will actually ferry astronauts from lunar orbit down to the surface. It's equipped with solar panels, landing legs, and a crew elevator instead of Earth re-entry gear. Its mission, well, it requires an entirely new architecture. SpaceX plans to launch a Starship fuel depot into low Earth orbit, then repeatedly send tanker starships to fill it with liquid methane and oxygen. The HLS variant will dock with this depot, refuel, and then head to lunar orbit. From there, it carries astronauts down to the moon's south pole, and then back to Orion in near rectilinear halo orbit. So, the big challenge here? It's the cryogenic propellant transfer in space, which, believe it or not, has never been done at scale before. NASA auditors have identified this as the single largest risk to the Artemis schedule. Quite a hurdle, isn't it? Yet, progress is definitely visible. In August 2025, Flight 10 marked a major milestone. We saw smoother stage separation, mock satellite deployment, improved heat shield tests, and splashdowns of both stages. While it wasn't a lunar test, it certainly showed iterative improvements and the readiness for higher cadence launches. Exciting times ahead. NASA's urgency isn't just technical, it's competitive. You see, China has set its sights on landing astronauts on the moon by the year 2030, with many experts saying it could happen even sooner. Powered by its upcoming Long March 10 rocket and the newly tested Lanyu lunar lander prototype, China is rapidly building capability to target the South Pole, the same region NASA wants. The South Pole is crucial because of water ice locked in permanently shadowed craters. That ice can be turned into oxygen and hydrogen fuel, enabling habitats and deep space missions. Securing this resource is about much more than planting flags. It's about long-term influence in space. NASA's strategy is a dual-provider model rely on SpaceX's Starship HLS for Artemis III and IV, then introduce Blue Origin's Blue Moon lander for Artemis V around 2029. This redundancy lowers risks, ensuring no single failure can ground the program. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.